back at 8:13 on this Thursday morning, and this week affordability is in full focus in Washington. Lawmakers are taking up opposing bans to tackle healthcare costs, which are expected to skyrocket. Meanwhile, President Trump continues to defend his administration's efforts at strengthening the economy. Jared Hill has more.
Today in the Senate, a split on healthcare.
We're fighting to reduce premiums, and specifically on the Affordable Care Act.
The chamber set to vote on dueling bills as COVID-era healthcare subsidies are expected to skyrocket at the end of the year. Dems pushing for an extension, Republicans a revamp.
It delivers the benefit directly to the patient, not to the insurance company, and it does it in a way that actually saves money.
Neither is expected to pass. It's the latest focus on pocketbook issues for everyday Americans. In an economic speech in Pennsylvania,
the new word is affordability.
President Trump roasted Democrats for their focus on the issue, blaming them for higher prices, as he continued Wednesday to tout his administration's successes.
The economy is roaring. I think the economy is only going to go, better with all this money pouring in.
At a grocery store in Pennsylvania, shoppers said they're still hurting.
Prices are just too high. Everything is too high.
In its focus on immigration, Wednesday, the White House also launched the website for an expedited visa program dubbed the Trump Gold Card, selling for at least $1 million to visitors who provide a substantial benefit to the U.S.
All funds go to the United States government. Could be a tremendous amount of money.
Back on Capitol Hill, the House cleared the National Defense Authorization Act. The $900 billion policy would increase pay for troops, repeal sanctions on Syria, and provide military aid to Ukraine. Next, it heads to the Senate for a vote.
In other news surrounding the president, a federal judge has said that the Trump administration must end its deployment of California National Guard troops in Los Angeles. The administration is expected to appeal that decision.